Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, let's step into the world of Beetlejuice with this Lydia Deetz inspired look in DTI. So today I'm going to show you how you can recreate Lydia's iconic Gothic style and bring her to life in DTI with the unique aesthetic outfits. If you want to do the full Lydia Deetz inspired outfit inspo, just watch this video. So first, let me just show you the hair that I use for Lydia's look here. I'm using this strip from the updo hair category and also the feminine hair and all in a black color. Now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to just go to the dressing room. Then you can put on this top from the wig set and change all the color into red, and here is the red color that I'm using. This is the hex code, and I'm going to make all the material in light silk. Combine it with the skirt, then put on this dress in here. Use the same color and material. And then I'm going to also put on the sleeves from this strawberry dress. So toggle it into sleeves only in red color. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots from the code items and change the color into black. This. For the strawberry dress, I think I'm going to just go with the default look and use red color. And now I'm going to grab this flower as the accessory and pull it into one arm. And for the flower, I'm going to change all the color into black except the last two, the red color. Okay, now you can just go to the women's section and put on this top. Use the same red color in light silk. And last item, put on the gloves. Remove the fur. Change the color into red. So this will be the final look of Lydia Deetz from Beetlejuice in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.